Philippines Commanding Officer Lieutenant De La Rosa.
Who's over there?
And cities, communist, terrorists, NPAs.
How far are they from here?
Just about air distance is 500 meters, 400 to 500 meters. Just over that hill. Right now, they even they were firing on us over there. And I think the purpose of that is just to attract our attention so that whenever they fire their guns, we will respond to them. And right on the way, they will be conducting some ambush position.
Are the NPAs winning out here?
I don't think so. With the help of civilian volunteers, the Holy Christian Crusaders, they've been contributing a lot for making these people go back to the folds of the law.
Come with me and love me, alone you surely stay. I guess I'll always be so devoted to you.
Can you tell me how you work with the Holy Christians, with all the other groups, but some people refer to them as the fanatical groups?
These people, they came here in this place with the purpose, with the sole purpose of spreading peace. So I don't see any violence and with their, they have really noble intentions. So I welcome them. We welcome them. They are free to roam around this place.
I guess I'll always be so.
I asked Lieutenant De La Rosa if his Tad-Tads and their bolos were responsible for the Alderete killing.
Yeah, they have bolos, but we are not allowing them to kill anybody.
What are you going to do further to investigate it?
Yeah, right after that incident, I told them not to roam around anymore because I've heard of reports that they were the one who was responsible. So I told them not to go around and
You heard reports that the Holy Christians were responsible?
Well, that's based on our investigation.